Shopping GMC Acadia? Compare it with Ford Explorer, America's all-time best-selling SUV. It has intelligent four-wheel drive with terrain management system. That's 7 modes to help handle virtually any kind of terrain. Explorer offers an easy entry second row and power fold seats in the third row. Acadia doesn't have either one. And it's the most spacious generation of Explorer ever. Explorer has more horsepower and torque than Acadia. It comes with Ford Co-Pilot 360. That's 5 driver assist technologies. Again, all standard. Active Park Assist 2.0 takes the challenge out of parking with just the touch of a button. Acadia doesn't have it. Ford Explorer, the greatest exploration vehicle of all time.